Alright, what's up guys? I'm gonna start it off with a little bit of cold start action for you. Alright, I had people asking me about the exhaust setup on this car, so I'll go over it real quick and then I will show you some clips of what it sounds like. So this is a Speed Engineering long tube header setup with their X pipe. It's a 3-inch X pipe, and it is Corsa Sport mufflers out the back. If I remember right, they were ZR1 mufflers just due to the fact I couldn't get anything else in 3-inch inlet. Yeah, so it is their X pipe, inch and 7/8 headers, Corsa Sport mufflers. So here is some exhaust notes.